Okay, welcome to watch, or should I say mostly listen, video about DYU microphones. Maybe a lot of you guys know that there is a lot of those DYU microphone kits, capsules, PCBs, frame bodies, whatever they're called, available from the net. You can buy really cheap ones from the eBay, AliExpress or so on, or you can buy some should I say expensive and more dedicated ones from the dedicated suppliers, should I say. Few years back I got kind of interested in this microphone thing. I wanted to see how microphones work and all that thing, and I decided to buy something really cheap at first, if I mess up something or don't lose a lot of money and all that. So what I did, I bought this really cheap diaphragm capsule from eBay. Then I bought this quite cheap PCB circuit board for the inside the microphone. And then I got this body frame thing, which wasn't that cheap, but I thought it looks really good, and maybe if I build something good out of it later, I can use this nice microphone frame or body to use that. Okay, so I built my first ones, and I must say that they sounded quite horrible compared to those microphones bought from the store, like AKG, and all those. I have used and tried sometimes pretty good microphones, like from Neumann and so on, and I was really disappointed the sound, and that was a big surprise. Then I kind of still got interested in this project, and later on I bought this better, should I say, dedicated capsule for this. I bought two microphones, and I got these two capsules from Amaiku Capsules here in Europe, and I put it there into my DYU project microphones, and then I also got this PCB circuit board, which should have been a little bit better. It was named U87 from the classic legendary U87 Neumann microphone. Of course it wasn't the same, but it was kind of, I just wanted to try. It had that kind of an input transformer in it, or output transfer, what it is, and all that. I also put the better capsule and this circuit board, the microphone, and still the sound wasn't very good, and I kind of got disappointed of the project, and I left it down. And at the same time I have bought this circuit board thing, a couple of them right now here in a picture, but because I got bored of the thing, I forgot it totally. And this week actually I got excited, and maybe I should try that other PCB to these microphones, and because I have two of them, I can compare them. I can install it to the first one and compare it to the other one that I have with the different circuit board. Funny thing was that I ordered them just like a kit that I need to do soldering myself, but the other one came soldered and other one didn't come, so that was kind of funny, but there were some things that I might have not able to do if I didn't see the assembled one, because there was some funky wiring about the 1 gigahertz resistors, and the polystyrene capacitor was there. But I installed it into my other microphone, and now you can compare the results. I'm doing this speech now at the same time with both microphones, and I will compare these microphone sounds, and then later on I will go to drum rehearsal place and I will record some mono overhead sounds just for comparison if there's any difference in these sounds. So let's do this comparison. The first this speech that I'm now giving is given with the first microphone, which has the cheaper, should I say, phony U87 PCB, and you can hear there's quite a lot of hum going on. And okay, let's go to the direct comparison. I will just say a verse and then switch it on, and you can listen it later. This is this circuit board. 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 Wow, I think you can really hear the difference. This is the second one with, should I say, a better PCB. It's kind of funny that their price is about the same. Of course, it was a kit thing, but the price is about the same. But I can hear a huge sound difference. There's more bass, less hum and everything, all that. Don't mind about the ventilation, air conditioning in this room. What I'm working on is disturbing, but I don't really now have any other place to go on. But you can really hear the hum there. It might be also that this circuit board doesn't really fit into this capsule. That could be also the reason. But I'm glad that I did this project. For now on, this other one sounds really a much better circuit board. Let's see how the drums sound with it. Okay, wow. I think there was a quite big difference. The first one with claimed to be U87 circuit board didn't sound really good to my ears. That was the sound I was earlier getting, so I kind of get fed up the microphone building systems. I was kind of disappointed. But I think with this new circuit board, this sounds really much better. Yeah, maybe I will continue this project. I have started to soldering the second PCBs for the another mic, first mic, and then I will have a stereo pair of those mics. When I was doing drum recording, I also engaged this minus 10 dB pad to it, and it seems to work okay. There's also this low cut filter that I didn't use it because of course I want the low end to come with it with the recording. Okay, this was fun test out comparison for these different circuit boards. I think it's good to use, and this test shows definitely that it's good to use better circuit boards, and it makes a difference. It could be the reason that the first circuit board doesn't really fit into this capsule, but it was really boxy sounding and a lot of noise also. Yes, thanks for watching, and maybe I will get excited doing new videos later on. Thank you.